Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create captivating intro using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application, and as you can see, I have added a video to this project. And first of all, I'm going to add text to this video. So we can click on the text and select default text. And for example, I'm just going to type in CapCut. Okay, and then wait guys, I'm going to cut my video. All right, and then I'm going to change the font. Just going to go to the font menu and I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to make it bigger like this, and I'm going to apply background to the text. So we can go to the background menu. Wait, okay, this one, select background, and I'm just going to choose the black background, and I'm going to increase the height and also the width. Okay, and I'm going to change the color of the text to green. All right, and go to the animation, apply flipping, and I'm going to increase the duration around 2 seconds. All right, and then you can right click on your text and then select create compound clip. All right, and then we're going to remove the green screen. We're going to go to the video, remove background, and select chroma key. Okay, and you can pick the green color like this, and then we're going to blend it. You can go to the blend menu. Wait, go to basic first, and then you can scroll down until you find a blending. Okay, activate the blend, and you're going to select multiply and reduce the opacity to 80% like this, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create captivating text intro using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.